Hello everyone, I am Padmaja from Gossip Funda. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the different ways to use text to the speech on your Android phones. Now go to the Play Store and search for T2S. Here you can create your new file. You get an open file option. You can extract your file, your documents, whatever you want to extract. Even you get an browser option. So in this I'm gonna type it up YouTube. So you can see when I type it out, it just converts the text into a speech language. So you get in this app you get a direct access to your browser. So you don't need to go and search for it, then copy and then paste and then.
Gossip Funda.
Now in settings you can find many options here. Here you get a language option, whichever language you want to choose you can choose from here. Even you get speech settings. So here you can see you get a different voice, male voice, female voice, whichever voice you want to choose you can choose over here. Here you get an option of speech rate, pitch, you can change the pitch. Now here you can see speaking text process. Here you get a lots of menu options. Now you get a theme option. Here you can choose your theme as per your requirement. Now I'm just going to keep it at a dark mode. Even you can change its color. You can see you get a templates here to set a color theme also. That's all. Now again go to the Play Store and search it for Navigator's Voice. It takes a time to install at the starting, so this is a little bit slow process app. It takes a lots of time to get installed and to get set up. Now complete all the process. Here you can see here is a text option. If you want to text, this is a dashboard of Navigator. In this you can change a theme. Even you get an access to your Instagram account directly. Well, so here you can see you even have an option of PDF extract, file extract also. Now go to the settings. In settings you get a language option. Now go to the Play Store and search for Talk Free app. This is also another app which will help you to convert your text into a speech. Just open it up. Now this is a simple app where you can choose your language. There are lots of languages available. Here you just need to type whatever text you want and play it out. It doesn't have much more features in this app. This is a simple app. So here you can change the pitch, speed, everything. Now I'm gonna type here and see.
Gossip Funda.
Now go to the Play Store and search for Android accessibility. Here you can see in my mobile it's already been installed, so it is an inbuilt feature in my smartphone. You can download it from a Play Store if you want. So let's go. Now in settings, here you can see there is an accessibility option. So here you can see text to the speech option. Now here you can choose your whatever option you want, like if you want to text to the speech from Samsung Windows inbuilt or Google. In this, just turn on your speak setting. Now here you can see there is an icon like chat box. Okay, now this is the Wikipedia which I have been already opened.
Open main menu. Open main menu. Wikipedia. Search. Is any issue, problem, risk that adversely affects the global community and environment, possibly in a.
That's it. If you want more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find useful, then please press a like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.